Good morning and welcome back to the channel. It is Sunday and I am back in the workshop today doing a job that I probably should have been doing weeks, months, maybe even years ago. It's something that I promised to do for Sharon, which was to respray her Cervelo bike. It's something that, I don't know, I've kind of been putting it off, but obviously now it needs to be done. Summer's coming, the bike needs to be used. Sharon's complaining about it, so I better get it sorted. Let's just take you upstairs onto the mezzanine where the bike has been sitting for a few months. I started rubbing it down and didn't get too far with it. So let's show you what it looks like at the moment. It's looking pretty sorry for itself down in this corner. It's all been taken apart. I've started rubbing it down, but there's still quite a bit of work to do on it. Super light frame, probably weighs, I don't know. Well, we'll weigh it and see what it weighs. So the plan is to finish rubbing this down today, mask it all up and get it into base coat, and you can follow along the journey to see how this looks. It was a Cervelo S3. You can just about see that under there, what it used to say. Kind of an outdated colour frame, I suppose, colour, and that's why she wants it changed. So yeah, today's plan is to make some progress on this bike. Original graphics are actually quite deep on there, and I need to rub them out completely before we can go too much further, because they are going to show through anything that I put on there. This is an interference pad. It goes through and creates a soft foam layer between the two. I'm just going to put it on this sander, and it should go around these curves slightly, but we'll still get some dust extraction, which is a good thing. So I've got to work out how to hold this up here. What I'm thinking I might do is create a 3D cone that goes around this pipe and holds the bike frame like that. So that's going to be my next job, to draw up on SketchUp and then 3D print a cone which will hold the bike like so. Stop it falling down. Then I think we will be ready for priming this frame. Got to do a bit of masking up, but yeah, other than that, should be ready. Cleaning off any grease or dirt that's currently on it, and any dust. There's the cone I've just printed, so let's try it and see if it actually works on the bike. So I'm pretty pleased with my new bike stand spray mount. I think it's going to work. We've basically made a cone there on the 3D printer. I've put a bit of tape around the bottom. That sits in there perfectly so that we won't get any overspray on there. That's my old repurposed bike cleaning stand. Now for a spraying stand. Chromacoat Cyan, chameleon colour. Black base, that's what we're looking for today. just finished priming it, all in black. That's the first stage of this process. My spray stand worked really well. There's no runs in it as far as I can see. We've got a really nice even coat on everything, nothing's showing through, so I'm really happy with that. I've just finished in the spray booth doing the frame, and here it is. I think it looks absolutely amazing. I wish it was mine. I think it's come out really, really well. The flick in the paint is just unreal. It looks fantastic. I'm not sure the camera does it justice. You may have to see this one out and about to get a true effect, but wow, yeah, I'm really pleased with how it's come out. It looks absolutely mega. Fantastic. We just got the stickers to go on it now, the Cervelo stickers. Think about that tomorrow, get them masked up, airbrush those on, and this bike can go back to being fully built up. But wow, what a machine. It looks unbelievable. I'm really pleased with how it's come out. So getting close to the final stages of the bike. I'm just going to spin you around and you can see what it's like before I'm just about to top coat it with clear lacquer. So there it goes. We're pretty much there. It's looking nice. We've got the logos in place. I've airbrushed those in. Just a few subtle ones really. Nothing too dramatic because I don't think it needs it with the paint scheme. That looks nice. We've put another one up here on this back, just there, and then a little one on the top tube, just there, again down this side. That's all been Cervelo'd out, and then lastly on the front there. The lacquer is finished and it looks really amazing. Actually, it's come out perfectly. It looks fantastic. Really, really pleased with how it's come out. Not sure I'd want to do too many more, but as a finished product, really happy with how it looks. The logos look amazing. They've come out really well. There's little S3 ones on there. Difficult to see in this light, but I think in daylight they're going to show up really nicely. You can now see the whole flick of the paint, which looks crazy. I think it looks amazing. I'm going to let that dry overnight, and to be honest, I really do not think that I'm going to need to flat and polish it. It's come out that well that I don't think it's going to need it. We will see how it looks in the morning, but